What's the meaning of Bushman? Bushman. Bushman.
Bushman. Bushman. Bushman typically refers to a member of various indigenous groups in southern Africa, particularly the San people. They are known for their distinct cultures, languages, and hunting and gathering practices. However, the term has also been used historically as a derogatory term to describe these groups in a demeaning manner. Today, it is important to recognize and respect the unique cultural identities of the Bushman people and work towards promoting their rights and preserving their traditional ways of life.